This is grade 5, module 4, lesson 7, and the objective is to multiply any whole number by a fraction using tape diagrams. So the tape diagrams are big in this module, so we're showing you another example of that here. We're going to be using homework problem number 1. This is letter G and letter H. We'll do both. And we're going to start off by G. So we need 1/3 times 31. So it's like 1/3 of 31. So we're going to draw our tape diagram here. Okay. And we are going to say that that represents 31. This tape represents 31. And I want to know what 1/3 of that's going to be. Okay. So I only am interested in this section right here. How much is that going to be? So I know that the 3 units is equal to 31. Okay. So what's 1 unit going to be? So 1 unit is going to be taking 31 and dividing it by 3, and I would get 10 and 1/3. Now, if students need that broken down further, they can do 30 plus 1. Okay, and if I divide each of those by 3, I know that 30 divided by 3 is 10, plus 1/3 is equal to 10 and 1/3. Okay? But most of the time they won't need all that. This is a pretty simple one to see. So we have H, which reads 2/5 times 20. So 2/5 of 20. I'm going to draw another tape. And now I'm going to say that this whole thing represents 20. I want to know what 2/5 of that is going to be. So I'm going to section this off in 2/5. But now instead of just one of these sections, I want to know what 2 of those sections is going to be. 2 of those units. So what I can do is I can say that 5 units is equal to 20. Which means that 1 unit is equal to 20 divided by 5, which is 4. So that means 2 units is equal to 8. So our answer for that would be 8. So let's underline my answers here and here. Okay. And the next problem we're going to look at is from the homework, and it's number 2, problem B. And it reads, a straight angle is split into 2 smaller angles as shown. The smaller angle's measure is 1/6 that of the straight angle. What is the value of angle A? So there's some things that the students need to know here to start off. They need to know that a straight angle, their measurement of the straight angle is 180 degrees. Okay. I'm going to draw the tape diagram for that, and I'm going to say, okay, this whole thing is going to be equal to 180 degrees. I need to find 1/6 of that measure, okay? So I need to find 1/6 of that. So let's write our target sentence here. And it reads, the value of angle A is blank degrees. Okay, so the smaller angle, so they're talking about this angle right here is 1/6 of the straight angle. Okay, so we're going to have our angle represented here, and let me just split it into 6. Okay, so if 6 units is 180, 1 unit is equal to 30. Okay, so 1 unit is equal to 30. So let's just say that this is the smaller angle right here, and it's equal to 30. The rest of this is going to be the measure of angle A. So it would be 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. Okay, so the answer, the value of angle A is 150 degrees. Okay, but the key thing for this problem is knowing that the straight angle measures 180 degrees. Okay, the value of angle A is 150 degrees.